Road to Coachella.
Take a slight right turn.
My God, Siri, shut up.
For 30 miles, continue
God.
straight.
No.
Okay.
You're gonna fall down.
No, I'm not.
Blackpink in your area.
Day one, and we're trying to grab the breakfast. Look at this sky.
Look guys, I'm going to Coachella.
Yeah.
It's like the quintessential.
So delicate.
I need to be
What are you doing?
rugged look. I'm gonna be a very gothic
Oh wow. Working so hard. Manufacturing. Made in China.
Actually it is. Hello, welcome to my channel. This is me, Kananas. Hey, what's Gucci? And Coachella 1, day 1. Oh my god, it's too much!
Is it too
No?
much?
Yeah! No, I think it's good! It's good. It's good. It's good.
Oh my god. Do me.
Ah!
Day one Coachella, let's go!
Alright!
We're like so obvious we're going to Coachella. So we're going to
Just walk here,
the hotel
along the gravel.
close to us and get a shuttle bus. Take the shuttle bus to Coachella. This is where we're gonna take the shuttle bus. And there's a bunch of people wearing very extra, just like us. We're waiting for the shuttle bus right now. Is this a shuttle pass?
You guys.
Thank you. Is this the shuttle bus? Wait, we're gonna sit here?
Yeah.
Don't wanna sit a little back?
No, it's gonna be hard to get out.
You have socks on. You're good.
So, day 1. Everyone is very extra today. Look at her necklace. So pretty.
Yes, there's a moon on it.
I also have a choker. Kinda did. My eyes. Very gothic. That's my look today. So,
We're gonna see what's gonna happen tomorrow.
yeah. So tomorrow will be another adventure. What are you guys excited for? Blackpink.
Which artists are you guys looking at?
Blackpink. Who else? DJ Snake. Hey. Snake. I forget who else is today.
And this is where people gonna camp. Okay.
You ready to
Oh my God. Yeah, this is it.
Oh my gosh, are we here?
Darker than the ocean, deeper than the sea. You got everything, you got what I need. Touch me, you're electric, babe. Move me, take me from this place. Move to the tempo, show me what it takes.
the show. This is so gross. Look at this. Shame. Okay, day 2.
He has all day to do that.
Day 2, guys.
Day 2, let's go.
Woo!
Let's
go.
Yeah.
So today is day 2. We're going to grab a brunch or lunch.
Yes.
Or whatever.
French.
Whatever that is. This is really nice. It's a fancy restaurant. Oh, that looks so nice. Yeah.
Energy for today. So
Yeah.
it's gonna be a
Long day.
long day. Let's go!
It's almost sunset right now. We just literally
But
walking.
still super hot.
Yeah, it's very hot. Day 2. Wait.
Day 2.
Day 2. We're back. Yes.
Here we go, part 2, check me out. Once again, now where do I start? Dear love, I'm struck with the prologue to find you here. Every morning I wake from a
Day 3, she's alive! Oh my god, we almost did not make it to the story to tell.
Exactly.
All bets are off now. Never really been good at goodbyes. I've been feeling so lost now. I just can't seem to get you out of my mind. So tell me, what does your heart have to say? Maybe I know you love the sunshine, but you can't break free from the rain. So run away and forget everything. I'll try to love you under purple skies. Your eyes